Hey, don't touch me. Yeah, that was the first thing she did. And I saw that, I said, oh, she gonna be alright. Girl, big girl to move.
Now look at this. If you look carefully at Kirsty's foot placement, you'll see it right here. She's right on her feet. They're right underneath her. And she's getting the most out of her hip action. Kirsty knows how to win over the audience. She performs not only to them, but also right out to everybody. None of the other women in this competition have that sort of same confidence in their sensuality when they dance. She owns it.
I did it!